there's no ego because everyone is just excited to learn about the things that other people are brilliant about. My name is Callan, guys. I'm a people operations generalist at Recursion, and my favorite part of having that job is I get to say that my job is making sure that everyone is set up to do the best work of their lives at Recursion, which is the best job I could ever imagine. Something that I think happens so often when you have a lot of brilliant minds in a room is that everybody wants to be the most brilliant mind, and everybody thinks that they're the most brilliant mind. And at Recursion, I think because we have experts in every domain that I can think of, there's no ego because everyone is just excited to learn about the things that other people are brilliant about. We get to be in a room with people and learn every single day, and it's people who are at the top of their industry. We have neuroscientists who know more about neuroscience than anybody else in the world, and those people are still so excited to learn about people development, and they're really excited to learn about what our high throughput screening associates are doing on a daily basis. And that is what makes it so magical, is because you can be really brilliant, but if you're not willing to learn, you're not gonna do anything exceptional, and we're doing exceptional work at Recursion. I took a lot about We Learn at Recursion because I get to meet with people on their very first day when it feels like everything ahead of them is learning. But I really like to draw back to that fact that we're always learning at Recursion, and that learning means that we're also a teaching culture, and that's really core to everyone here. I hold a new hire breakfast every Monday when our managers and our new team members can introduce themselves. And we had one of our team members, Paul Reardon, who works in DMPK, introduce himself, and people said, "Hey, what is DMPK?" And he was so excited. He completely lit up. He said, "Oh, DMPK, we're studying how drugs are metabolized by the body. We're helping bring those discoveries in the lab to be able to be processed by humans." And then, not only does he teach everybody just a little snippet right then, he says to a group of 30 people, "Anyone who's interested in this, put an hour in my calendar." Paul is doing incredible, important work every single day, and yet he understands that by giving his time to the team, he's gonna come out with more value. Because he knows that even though he's an expert on this thing, if he goes into a meeting with someone who knows nothing about it, they're gonna ask a question, they're gonna draw an analogy that makes him understand better what he's studying.